Hello everyone! How are you today? I'm great. Are you ready for my listening class? Today, we will review Unit 3, Telling Tales. Student book, pages 172, 174 to 179. But first, let's play a game. The game is called Matching Game. Now, look. As you can see, we have 6 boxes on the screen, right? So you will pick 2 numbers. And then let's see if they match each other or not. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now, let's begin with number 1. Anticipate. So what do you choose? Let's try with number 4. Setting or situation. Is that right? I don't think so. So let's try with another pair. How about number 2? Guess or expect that something will happen. Now, can you guess the word? What's the number? Let's see with number 1. Anticipate. Correct. Well done, everyone. That's the same. Now, let's try with number 5. Scenario. Scenario. So, how about number 6? Show. Is it the same? I don't think so. Uh-oh. How about number 3? Let's try. Number 3 is display. And what do you choose? Is that number 6? Display is show. Very good, everyone. That's the pair. And the last pair is number 4 and number 5. Scenario, that means settings or situation. Well done, everyone. Now it's time for us to review. Let's go through some vocabulary. I will show you the meaning. You have to tell me the word. Are you ready? Now let's go. Having great strength. So what's the word? Yes. Let's listen and repeat.
Mighty.
Again.
Mighty.
Very good. Now let's move on. A large, heavy hammer. Do you know what it is? Yes.
Sledgehammer.
Again.
Sledgehammer.
Good job. What's next? Spoke with pride. What's the word?
Boasted.
Again, everybody.
Boasted.
Good job. Next. A device that uses some sort of motor. The answer is machine. Listen and repeat.
Machine.
One more time.
Machine.
And the last one. To pop, clog up, or stop working correctly. What's that?
Sputter.
Again, everybody.
Sputter.
Alright, everyone. Let's move on with the next part of the lesson. Listen and choose a number. Then write the word that you have just revealed. As you can see, there are 3 pictures. And you have to listen, choose one of them, and write the word that you've just revealed. I need you to get a piece of paper and a pencil to write down the answer. I will give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, do you have your paper and the pencil? Let's look at the 3 pictures. Now you listen and choose the correct picture, then write the word.
The boy boasted that he was faster than his brother.
One more time.
The boy boasted that he was faster than his brother.
What's your answer? 1, 2, or 3? The correct answer is number 3. And what's the word? Very good. Boasted. Now let's move on. Look, 1, 2, and 3. Now you listen.
A person can use a sledgehammer to break up rocks.
Again, please.
A person can use a sledgehammer to break up rocks.
What do you choose? 1, 2, or 3? The answer is number 3. And what's the word? Correct. The word is sledgehammer. Now, please check your spelling carefully because this is a long word. Let's see what's next. First, look at the 3 pictures. Now you listen and write the word.
A machine can help people work or get from place to place, but they can break down if you don't take care of them.
Again, everybody.
A machine can help people work or get from place to place, but they can break down if you don't take care of them.
What do you choose? 1, 2, or 3? The answer must be number 2. And what's the word? Correct. The word is machine. Next. Now, look at the 3 pictures. Now you listen.
An elephant is a mighty animal that can help people move large objects.
Again, please.
An elephant is a mighty animal that can help people move large objects.
Alright. What do you choose? The answer is number 1. And the word is mighty. Excellent job, everybody. Next, look at the 3 pictures first. Now, let's listen.
A car will sputter when it runs out of gas.
One more time.
A car will sputter when it runs out of gas.
So, what's your answer? 1, 2, or 3? Can you tell me? The answer is number 1. And the word is sputter. Very good, everybody. Now, let's move on with another part of the lesson. Look at the picture. Can you see the baby boy and the hammer? So what's the name of the story, everybody? Do you remember? Very good. The story, John Henry and the Machine. Now, let's go through some exercises. Listen and choose the correct answer. You can see a question and 3 options here, A, B, and C. So you have to listen and choose the correct answer. Now, let's read the first one. What did John Henry like to do? A. He liked to pound on rocks. B. He liked to jump on rocks. C. He liked to break the glass. Now, let's listen and choose the correct answer.
Young John Henry loved that big hammer. He liked to pound on rocks. Up went the hammer, and then down it came.
Now, listen again and check your answer.
Young John Henry loved that big hammer. He liked to pound on rocks. Up went the hammer, and then down it came.
So, tell me, what do you choose, A, B, or C? The correct answer is A. He liked to pound on rocks. Next question. Who did John Henry work for? A. He worked for the police. B. He worked for the railroad. C. He worked for the host. Now listen and find out.
When he grew up, John Henry worked for the railroad.
Again, please.
When he grew up, John Henry worked for the railroad.
So, A, B, or C, everybody? Correct. The answer is B. He worked for the railroad. Excellent job, everybody. Next, what did John Henry do all day long? A. He made a sledgehammer by using rocks. B. He hammers steel spikes into rocks. C. Both are correct. Now everybody listen and find out the answer.
He was bigger and stronger than everybody else on the job. All day long he hammered steel spikes into rocks. He broke every rock that was in the way of the railroad.
Again, please.
He was bigger and stronger than everybody else on the job. All day long he hammered steel spikes into rocks. He broke every rock that was in the way of the railroad.
So what do you choose? A, B, or C? The answer is B. He hammered steel spikes into rocks. Next one. What did the stranger boast? A. His machine could do less work than 10 men. B. His drilling machine could do more work than 1,000 men. C. His drilling machine could do more work than 10 men. Now everybody listen and choose the correct answer.
John Henry was as happy as a man could be. Then a stranger brought a new machine to town. The stranger boasted that his drilling machine could do more work than 10 men.
Now listen again.
John Henry was as happy as a man could be. Then a stranger brought a new machine to town. The stranger boasted that his drilling machine could do more work than 10 men.
Can you tell me your answer, please? My answer is C. His drilling machine could do more work than 10 men. Next one. Who was the winner in the contest? A. John Henry. B. John Henry and his machine. C. The stranger and his machine. Now let's listen.
When the dust cleared, everyone saw that John Henry had broken through the rock wall.
You won the contest!
They cried. John Henry smiled.
Yes, I did.
Listen again.
When the dust cleared, everyone saw that John Henry had broken through the rock wall.
You won the contest!
They cried. John Henry smiled.
Yes, I did.
Now, so tell me, who was the winner in the contest? The answer is John Henry. A. So that is the answer. Let's see what we have for homework. First, practice listening at home. Second, do the exercise using the link. I hope that you enjoy our lesson. Thank you for joining with me. Goodbye everyone, see you next time.